My name is Kaelen Novak, and this is Beau, Garrard, and this is Mike Sandoz. And for the last 6 months, give or take, I've been researching an unknown species of pipefish that we caught in Bay St. Louis, Mississippi, right in front of our school. We have a marine science program, and we do a whole bunch of field work, catching various organisms, keeping them in captivity, studying them, from blue crabs to pufferfish to stingrays to squid. Whatever ends up coming into our nets, we'll end up keeping. At first, when I caught this pipefish, I believed it to be just a regular Gulf pipefish because that was what everyone told me it was. But through various means of fish or recognition books, internet, stuff like that, when I was looking for food sources, I learned that it was by far not a Gulf pipefish. Narrowed it down to two various things: the chain pipefish, which tends to live around Texas and Louisiana, and the dusky pipefish, which lives about from Florida to Maine, both of which could have been washed into the Bay St. Louis. But the problem is that the unknown pipefish falls right in between them two. Both of the way you recognize pipefish is you count rings on their tail and their from their head to their dorsal fin and from their dorsal fin to their tail. And it falls right in between and has varying characteristics that go straight between the two and some that don't match either. So the reason I'm here today is to get people's input, ideas on what might help me find out what this is, and to continue spreading awareness of this to hopefully get resources to continue and figure this out. I can talk about this for ages, but if you have any questions after the fact on specifics or what experimentation I've done, feel free to ask. Thank you.
These are your partners?
Yes. Beau and Michael are both interns with our marine science program because they took the class last year, and during this entire time they've helped me keep like tabs on it. They've written some notes when I'm not in class, helped me feed it. Michael has done most of the photography on the unknown pipefish, which are two in the middle and the one on the right, and just various help me counting the rings for double checking, stuff like that.
Okay, why is it so important to know who he is?
Because I am curious, and it has been stuck in there. I just generally got fascinated with it when I captured it. It was the first thing I ended up catching in a big seine net for school, and managed to keep it. And through just looking at it, writing notes, I have like 30 pages of notes on it over 4 months on behavior, eating habits, like little tiny things, but it just fascinated me since then. And it has since passed on due to water quality issues, but that also helped because it helped me count the rings, which made it even harder to figure out which one it is. So,
Did
both
you save
sides.
it?
Yes,
yes,
it is in
of
our
course.
freezer.
It's preserved, yes, no doubt. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So what's something you didn't expect to learn?
I didn't expect this pipefish to be able, well, A, to change colors, because as of any pipefish, because we rarely catch them, no one had caught one that changed colors. So that was the first indication that it wasn't normal. And then secondly, that it would have so many contenders for what it might be, because even after I finished this poster, I found the third, and might find more as time goes on if I keep looking outside of the Gulf.